MM02, enter 283, which is a finished material. QM view in this, inspection type 04 is activated, and to make this material, I need few components. Save this. The bill of material for this material 283 CS02, enter. Material is this, plant is this, usage is 1. Press enter key. Here these are the two components which are required to make this finished material. When I am producing this material, if I am issuing these two material at the time of issue also I want to do the inspection, then I can activate the inspection type 02 in these material. /n mm02, enter. My material is 281, press enter key. Let's go to the quality management view of it. At present, no inspection type is activated for this material, and I can activate inspection type 02, which is for the good issue inspection. Let's see if I activate inspection type 02 in this. Click on details. So these are the default settings for the inspection type. Normally for raw material or the semi-finished material, we can activate this 02 inspection type. It is non-stock relevant. That's why that indicator is not there for the stock posting. Let me click on continue and then save it. Activating it only on 281 material, whereas there was another material also in the BOM for making the finished material 283. Let's see the stock status for this material 281. /n MMBE, enter, and the material is 281 for the plant 1710. The reserved quantity is 110, and these are the two different storage locations and the unrestricted quantity for it. Since I have already activated inspection in this material, the inspection plan for this material, let's create that also. QP01, press enter key, and the material is 281. Press enter key, plant is 1710, enter. And for the good issue, I want to use it, then the usage should be 6. So I'm selecting 6 here, and the status should be 4, which is for the released. Go to the operation, and here I can enter the control key as QM01 and the description. Go to the inspection characteristics and let me assign some MIC in this. Press enter key, and here I can select the appropriate sampling procedures. Press enter key. Let me keep it only one MIC here in this, and then save it. Remaining master data for the PP should be properly created. Create a production order. CO01, enter. So my material is 283, which is a finished material, and standard production order I am creating, which is PP01. Here I can enter some quantity. Let's keep it, say, 5. Date I can select, say, current date, press enter key. That's okay. In the master data, production version details, we can check if you click on this. Here the routing which is used, group this, if you double click on it, it will take you to the routing. 2 operations are maintained. This will show you the routing detail. Bill of material, if I double click on it, these are the 2 components which are there. In 281 material, I have activated inspection type 02. If I check the current stock for this 281, we have reserved quantity as 110. This is the master data which is linked to the production order. Let me save it. That's a costing error, and we can go to the change mode. This is the production order number. Let's release it. If I refresh it, so far we have just created the production order. Before releasing it, because I haven't saved it yet, the reserved quantity has been changed from 110 to 115, but the unrestricted quantity is same only. So released has been done. Let's save it. That's a costing error. Again, let's go to the change mode of this production order. The date and quantity here, the order quantity is coming as 5 master data. We just now have checked all the details. And in the components, so the committed quantity is 5 and quantity withdrawn is at present 0. Reservation has been done for this material 281, which is the component to be used to make the finished material. Let's do the code issue transaction for it. Let me copy this production order number, save it, /n, Migo, enter, say code issue against the order. I can enter my order number, and here even if I check the reservation number, okay, I click on this and you select the reservation, it will give you the reservation number list. This is the reservation number. If I double click on it, this is 5 quantities. Let me go back, 29273. Click on this. The order number is 71. Check, it is this. Okay, either from the reservation we can do it, or we can directly enter the production order number, which is 71. Press enter key. It is giving me both the items. Okay, whereas if I select, say, /n Mipo underscore GI, which is for good issue, is good issue against the reservation, and here you can enter the reservation number. Let me copy this, Control Y, Control C, and if I enter this, press enter key, we are getting the same thing. We can use either Migo underscore GI, or I can enter code issue against the production order, add the order number. Let's use this only. Okay, for the first component, I have activated inspection. I can specify my storage location as, say, this. Press enter key, select item OK, and go to the next material also, and I'm selecting the storage location as same only. Click on item OK, press enter key. Need to tell the batch number also. So let me select the batch number for this material. Press enter key. For the second component, also I need to enter the batch number, which is 280. Let me enter. Click on check once. Okay. For this batch number, I don't have that much quantity. So let me select other batch number. Instead of 431, I can select, say, 19. Press enter key. Check it once. Now all are warning. Report. So this reservation is 115. It's posted. So I have done my code issue transaction. And now if I open my QA32 report, a lot should have been triggered with the origin 02. Okay, let me enter the filter also for 02. Click on execute. So this is the lot which is created for the origin 02 for the material 281, which is a component of the finished material. If I check the inspection lot detail, non-stock relevant inspection type, usage you can see it is picking up as 6 and it is already in the release state. My sample size has been calculated, so I can do the result recording. If we check the stock, now if I refresh it, the unrestricted quantity will be reduced. Stock is not coming in the quality as it is non-stock relevant. Even the reservation quantity will be reduced and the unrestricted quantity will be reduced by 5. To the result recording, I can enter, say, within the range I am entering, press enter key, lock it, and then save it. Refresh it, so inspected. It is non-stock relevant, so you won't find the stock relevant tab also, and I can just do the usage decision for it. So I can enter, say, accepted in this. Quality score is already updated, and then you can save it. Refresh it, it is removed. This, if I refresh it, of course, since it is non-stock relevant, you won't find any impact here to my production order. So I can go to the change mode, press enter key, quantities. Here at present the order quantity is 5 and delivered is 0 only. And if we go for the components, for the first component, we have done the inspection. Save this and we will go for the confirmation of the order. Enter the order number as this, press enter key, selecting final confirmation, yield I am entering as 5, press enter key, that's okay, it's just a warning for the date, and then press enter and then save it. Do the MIGO against this production order. Good receipts against the order and the order number is this, press enter key. Movement type is 101. Quantity is 5. Select say item OK and where location I can specify as this. Press enter key. Quality inspection is already activated. Check it once. Batch number is created. Just post it. I again go to my QA32 report. 04 lot should have been triggered. Let me remove the filter for 02. Execute it. So this is the lot with the quantity 5 is created. Once you have done the result recording and the usage decision for the 04 lot, once again check our production order details. Order number is this, press enter key. In the quantities, if I check, now the delivered is coming as 5, order quantity was 5. If we check the components, then for the first component, we have done the inspection for 02 also. And here initially when we started it, at that time the committed quantity was coming as 5 and the quantity withdrawn was 0. So once you issue the goods, then the quantity will be populated here in this. The quantity is now 5 for it. It is consumed in the production. Let's go back. Now the status for this production order. If we check, then initially it was released, then confirmed, then the delivery is coming. This order is handled in batches, then the goods movement were posted and the other status you can check. Let's save it. report. If I check for the material 283, let's click on new selection. Batch number is 2126 with the quantity 5. If we check in the production order, the batch number is 2126, which is now in the unrestricted